And I also got the backup battery connected. This will make it so that if my power goes out, I can still flush. Super smart. There's another one as well. I do want to install this foam shield first though, so let's do that. If you're not familiar with the foam shield feature, this is really what keeps your bathroom hygienic and smelling fresh. How it works is it squirts a layer of foam when it detects usage, and then you don't get splashback when you're doing your number twos. Oh, it has a heated seat, which is really going to make my winter mornings nice. And also this has 4 wash modes and even a massage. This one is for the posterior, but they also have a feminine setting, which is really great for your menstrual cycle. Very thoughtful features. And then of course a dryer. Change your temperature of the air, water temperature, seat temperature, nozzle position, water pressure. I can't believe that this beautiful toilet is actually going to save me money too, because I will be using less toilet paper, and with the dual flush system, it saves about 2,000 gallons of water a year. So whether it's kids, guests, someone with limited mobility, just everyone feels at home. And since I plan to have plenty of guests here, I think that extra level of comfort really matters. All right, so that's the new HOROW T38P, the easiest way to turn any bathroom into a spa. Whether you're using this in your own home, guest house, Airbnb, rental, this is gonna change and upgrade any bathroom that you do. Your guests are gonna be so pleased with that. They call it HOROW, but I call it hooray.